Welcome to DJ TV.
My people, we greet you now. Welcome una once again to this our channel. If una recall, on Sunday, Pastor Tunde Bakare do one kind of public broadcast like that for inside a church, when he talk say make President Tinubu make it stop corruption instead of all these ones wey dey do so. Say na corruption be the first thing wey need to stop before all this work wey say they do so. Say because people they suffer, so many things they happen for this administration, so say a lot don't go down right now. My people, you get one Yoruba man wey they call the only man wey they touch truth for Yoruba land. I don't know that will be title, but the man they trend sha. This man don't come outside, then he don't react to wetin Tunde Bakare talk on Sunday for the church. He say this Pastor Tunde Bakare, so he say no dey consistent, so he say na also talk they talk they tell the congregation different things wey be say he say in dey see. He say na so if they come out one time like that, come talk say God don show am say na him be the next president after Buhari. He say this one wey he talk so on Sunday, he say na God show am this one, abi he just talk am. He say because Pastor Tunde Bakare na person wey be say he either dey here or there. He say this same Tunde Bakare so say he talk some time ago say who dey fight Tinubu. I don't want just talk too much because the whole matter, the man analyze the whole thing. Una need to watch the video and hear wetin this man talk, because this man he talk am with full chest, as in he get proof to wetin he talk. Anyway, make una watch this video and make una no forget to like and share. Make una watch this video from the beginning to the end and make una share the video. Una do well.
Bakare has berated Tinubu, asking him to stop killing Nigerians. He should rather face corruption, tackle insecurity, and stop such distractions. What do you have to say, Bakare, Pastor Bakare?
Is it God that sent him to say this?
Well, I never can tell.
Bakare, like I said to other people, I said it's somebody I so much respect, but gradually it's making me to start having the kind of disliking to him. Are you getting me? When Tunde Bakare told the whole world that he's going to be the next president after Buhari, the 16th president, that is what God has told him that he's going to do. I personally, I swear to God, I started working underground for Bakare. Because he said it is God that has administered that into him, that he's going to become he's going to become the next president. I was working for him underground. Now the same Bakare was in his church to tell his congregation who want to kill Tinubu. Tinubu is not supposed to become a president in Nigeria again. He is now a grandfather kingmaker. Because if you tell him to come and become a president now, you are doing it to kill him. You don't like him. Yoruba nation, you should be very careful. Don't kill Tinubu for us. He's not supposed to go for presidency in his church. The same Tinubu, the same Bakare came back again to his same church to say who want to stop Tinubu from becoming president. The man have everything on the head. The man has built this. The man has built that. He has made this. He has made that in the same church. That is after he lost the primaries.
You mean he's inconsistent with his words of position?
Very well. So now if he's coming now, we are asking him, Pastor Bakare, don't, we are advising you, don't cause disrespectful for your life. You build a very good name for yourself. But if you want to tell the Nigerians politics, I must be honest to you, the whole world will forget you. Not only Nigeria.
But leaving the messenger, but do you accept the message that Nigerians are dying?
No. I am not looking at the messenger now. I'm looking at the message. The message is fantastic. The message, not the messenger. Are you getting me? For telling Tinubu to take care of Nigerians instead of killing Nigerians is wonderful. It's good for that. It's a wonderful thing. But what I'm saying is that there are a lot of things that he is not supposed to be coming to the public to be discussing again about Tinubu, either good or bad, because he has been good to him, he has been bad to him, he has supported and he has done back, he's very, very inconsistent. That's what I'm disappointed in him about.
Don't you think that is the life of an average Nigerian politicians? They are not consistent.
If Nigerian politicians, if that's what you want to do for them, they are very, very, very inconsistent. Yes, I agree. But me, I see Bakare. I'm seeing Bakare as man of God. So it is not left for him now to choose. Is he man of God or man of the world? But if you go to the politics, you become man of the world. Like me. So if inconsistency come into him, said, I know him as a politician. Let him come to the whole world and tell us that I am no more Pastor Bakare. I am now politician. Then we will know any inconsistency that comes from his own side. We will not say anything against him. But as a man of God, we are waiting to see somebody who will tell you, say, rain will fall and rain fall. I will tell you somebody that if somebody is suffering, give him salvation. They will talk to you to get salvation, and that person will be able to reason with himself and he follow the word of God. That's what we expect of man of God.
DJ